Sefer Chofetz Chaim. So it's page 68 with permission. Laws of derogatory speech with permission. Okay, go ahead.
So, with permission, it is forbidden to speak derogatorily about someone even when the subject has made it known that he does not mind if such things are said of him. So basically, even if the person doesn't care that you're talking about him, it's still not allowed to talk about him, which happens quite a lot. I've done it.
I think it's not that people do not care. They embarrassed to admit that they do care.
They do care?
Yeah, they're just embarrassed to admit. Yeah.
Maybe. Or
in some cases, I guess.
Sometimes I feel like maybe some of them just don't have any shame anymore. You know, like they just do it. Maybe deep down they do. Mm-hmm. I've met people who just have no shame. They just
no shame at all. Like I don't know. Okay.
I don't know.
That's very good.
Yeah. So let's go. So as mentioned above, to speak negatively of one's fellow is shameful in itself, regardless of the subject's feelings. Speaking Lashon Hara is contrary to man's exalted status as the only creature who has fashioned B'Tselem Elokim in the divine image. So who was made in Hashem's image.
So you see the way I see what it says here, the image is there, divine image is there. So they care or do not care. We don't care about what they think.
Right.
You understand? The image is there, and I cannot talk about image because that's what Hashem created.
Right. Okay.
They meant that damage the image. There was no problem with the image to begin with.
Okay, right. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, now I see it. All right, so they're damaging Hashem's image, which he created. I get it. And it's not altered by the fact that one has been granted permission to speak derogatorily. Right. Okay. So basically Hashem didn't give you the permission to talk derogatorily about something that he created in his own image.
Exactly. Okay. Just because another person does not care, it's not his place to care or not to care. You know,
right.
He has no right. Like it's not his, basically.
There was this age-old excuse that people used to say, and I'm sure they still say it. Like, I know I said it when I wasn't religious, and it's like, oh, you know, I'm telling you things that I would say to his face, you know, so it's okay if I say it, you know, like I'm, you know, talking about him, but it's things that I've said to his face, and it's okay, you know, and it's just like
that's this big misconception. It's purely Lashon Hara. It does not change the fact that it is Lashon Hara just because somebody is brazen enough to tell it in somebody's face, and the other person did not respond, or he respond, but it's not forceful enough to stop this guy or this lady. I mean, it doesn't change the facts.
Yeah, I agree.
Very sad. Okay.